Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am very excited to finally be able to show you my next video. I'm going to do some loose curls, one here and then two in the back, and they're overnight curls so you can do them yourself, and all I'm using is aloe water, which is like a natural gel, but it's not flaky in the morning, so I really like it. Thank you so much for your patience while I make this video and took some time off. I'm excited to show you some new ideas and things that I do to keep my hair healthy and long. As you can see, it's grown. It's probably down to the middle of my back now. Let me zoom out. Sorry, the light's not great. We are in a rental right now, so we're going to be moving soon. Okay, these are some of the things you're going to need when you're going to do your overnight, that's my dog, overnight curls. I always use a wet brush to help brush my hair out so I don't rip all the little hairs out. I like these wide bobby pins that aren't really tight like this one because they don't hurt while I sleep. And then this is just aloe water that I put in an old like eyeglasses cleaner and a mirror. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I take a little section starting from my eyebrow up and my other eyebrow up with all my hair. This is what the back looks like. Doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to brush it out with my wet brush. And then I'm going to spray my aloe water, which all this is water from like Walmart, and it's called aloe water. I'm mainly spraying the ends, but I'm going to get the mid shaft. Don't forget the other side too. Okay, you don't need it to be like 100% wet. Maybe like 50%, you know? Okay, so now I'm going to take it about midway, my length, not all the way to the end, but midway with my two fingers, and I'm just going to wrap the rest of my hair around my two fingers, and then I hold it with my pointer finger and thumb, and then you want to wrap the rest of it around this hair. So, like this. You can kind of let go, but hold the sides, and then kind of bring it down. Sorry, I'm making that awesome face. Okay. So then it's like sitting on top of my head like this. And I'm going to take the long bobby pins and just stick them in. And the reason I like these hairpins is because they're not super tight, so they don't really make any dents in your hair when you're sleeping. And you just kind of want to crisscross them. So I'm like making an X, and I'm putting 4 in on opposite areas of my hair. So that's 3, and this is 4 in the back. I didn't do the back yet. Okay, so that's my top one. And this is how I wear my hair to bed a lot, so that it kind of has some body in the morning and it's curly. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing with this big section. I just split the back of my hair in half. So I've got 2 halves, so I'm going to brush it out. Spray it. And the reason I chose this eyeglass cleaner bottle is because it's a really fine mist bottle. So it doesn't make like really big water droplets. Okay, so you want to direct it backwards, not to the side of you. It needs to go back. Again, the same thing. I'm going to put my right hand in like this, and I'm going to try to stay backwards. It's hard with the camera. Okay, let me turn. So I'm going to take my right hand and wrap it around my right hand, and if there's not enough room, you can just put it between your pointer finger and middle finger like that. There's this little piece kind of coming out. That's okay. So now, since it's already in there, I'm just going to wrap it around so that this hair here covers it. So I'm going to take my left hand and take it off and wrap it towards my head. And then I'm going to pin it. Like this. Keep wrapping until it's a little tighter. Like that. And then take your hairpins and put them in like an X pattern, just like we did above. Okay, now I'm going to do the other side. Okay. So I'm going to comb it out and make sure I have all my hair. There we go. I'm going to spray it with some aloe water again. So it's pretty wet, but not soaking wet. Direct it to the back of my hair. Okay, this time I'm going to put my left hand in. So I'm going to go like this and wrap it around my left hand. And then I put it between my middle finger and pointer finger. And then I'm just going to wrap it towards my head. If I can get it off my fingers. Oops, there we go. So now it's on my head, it's nice and flat. Okay, and then you can spray it again. And I go to bed. Sometimes I might put a scarf on it, but a lot of times I do this super, super fast. So I don't really care so much about a scarf. I just want my hair to not get stuck in my armpit or around my neck when I'm sleeping because it's pretty long right now. And it's a nice way to have some body and curls the next day so that my hair is not really straight and stringy, because I have thin, fine hair, and the longer it gets, the thinner it kind of looks on the ends. So this is how I wear my hair. I hope you like it. So this is the final look, and it's pretty curly on the ends, but as the day goes on it loosens up a lot, and for me, I think the curlier the better. I don't really like my roots super curly, so I like that it's loose on the roots, but if you want the roots a little tighter, You could always do 4 curls or 5 curls or 6 curls rather than just 3 like I did. I just do 3 to save time because I usually do this right before I go to bed. But if you have any questions, please put them in the comments or suggestions or anything you'd like me to do for another video. Let me know, and don't forget to subscribe and like. And if you hit on the notifications button, you can also get all the notifications when I make a new video. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.